right. This is a very important point, and it's ruined a lot of people's lives who became false gurus. So you do indeed, as long as you're still in duality consciousness of subject-object, and you think I am God and as subject-object, and that object is now my subjectivity, no, it will lead to inflation of the ego rather than transcendence of the ego. So that's why divine intoxication of devotion and surrender to God, until one has gone beyond language and the realization of God and I are one is no longer a concept, no longer a statement or a proposition, but is a lived reality that you don't need to talk about and that you wouldn't talk about. But that you shine with the joy, the bliss of that realization, and you're in a state of contentment, peace, and there's no need to prove yourself or try to impress other people about what a high being you are. Because if you have that realization, you also realize that everyone else is God, no different. God is the eye of every being, and your realization of that doesn't make you superior in any way to anyone else, because everyone is the same. There is a total equality at that level. The only thing that will be different is that you'll have access to information that you can use to help others overcome the feeling that they are not that, and that can help them achieve the downloading of the current of energy that will free them from the ego, let's say, contractions and knots that keep one from ascending into the highest levels of your being. But as long as we are in subject-object duality, or as long as the mind is thinking, and you haven't gone into that total silence, then worship God or goddess as other, and as one to whom you must surrender entirely, your heart, your mind, your body, your life, your resources, everything, and then you'll be absorbed into that supreme